Hey Mark, how you doing?
You got mail today.
Cool. You doing something for work?
Cat.
Oh, cool. No, I used to want to illustrate graphic novels. Yeah, it's a totally underrated art form. I mean, you should read Sandman by Neil Gaiman, if nothing else. I used to have a ferret, which was totally legal. Yeah. But my landlord didn't care. And then he died.
What?
Oh, no, the ferret. Not my landlord. And I stopped drawing. Yeah. I don't know that it had anything to do with it, but it just happened at the same time.
How you like the neighborhood?
Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's so cheap to live here.
The guy that lived here before you was a sculptor.
Oh yeah, there's lots of artists in this neighborhood. And not just illustrators, like actors, musicians. You can see them at the restaurant, at the subway. I mean, I'm not a stalker. Just nice to know that they're still out there trying.